Hello everybody, this is Montgomery, and today I wanted to get you guys an update on my Toro recycler lawnmower, which this one here has a Briggs & Stratton engine, and it's got, and if you look at the sticker, it's got Smart Stow technology. How that works is you flip the two blue handles forward, and then you can fold the whole handle forward, and then you lock the blue handles back in the position they're in right now, and you can stand it up. So yeah. You can see this is a Toro 22-inch recycler lawnmower with front-wheel drive, and it's got a Briggs & Stratton engine with Ready Start, which is basically an automatic choke. It requires no primer and no need to manual choke it, because it's basically the choke is automatic. We'll get you a look at the model and serial number. Alright, so the model is 20339. The serial is 315066247. So the 315 indicates the 2015 model. And here is the oil fill tube. It's kind of the same as my daddy's new mower that you see over there, which has the Kohler Courage XT engine. This one is pretty big, and it's got plenty of oil in there. And here's the gas tank. You just turn this and it pops off, and it's got plenty of gas in there. I like the gas cap on my mower compared to my dad's new mower. I don't really care for it because it's a pain in the butt to put it on after you check the gas. But yeah, now let's start it up. It should start right up. Try that again. So anyways, I hope you have enjoyed, and that will be it.